Oh, Myra, show mommy cheese. Show mommy cheese. Can you smile? Show mommy cheese. Show mommy cheese. You want to take a picture for Grandma? Can you say cheese? Say cheese. Myra throwing a fit because she wants Grandma's camera instead of taking pictures for Grandma. Can you say cheese for Grandma? Can you say cheese? Say cheese. Okay, bye-bye.